Welcome to the all-new Advantage Auto Repair in Randolph, your full-service preventive maintenance and repair center. Our award-winning team of technicians are ASE certified to work on all makes and models and specialize on foreign cars like Audi, VW, Honda, Nissan, Toyota, and more. From simple tune-ups to extensive overhauls and complicated computer problems, Jennifer will get your vehicle's appointment in quick and convenient. We can handle any type of repair, including shocks, brakes, tires, mufflers, and more. Call the experts you can trust at Advantage Auto Repair.